You haven't even opened your eyes yet, and you're already losing. That's what it feels like, doesn't it? The phone glowing on the nightstand, the weight of everything waiting. Your first conscious breath already laced with urgency. And somewhere beneath the rush, there's a question you've stopped asking. When did mornings become something to survive? Here's the thing nobody tells you. Somewhere along the way, you started believing that urgency equals importance, that if you're not attacking your morning, you're wasting it, that rest is laziness wearing a disguise. The whole culture feeds this. 5 a.m. alarms as moral superiority, cold plunges as character tests, routines so aggressive they require recovery. But here's the part that changes everything. Discipline built on self-punishment doesn't last. It collapses. And when it does, you blame yourself for the collapse instead of questioning what you built. What if the foundation was wrong from the start? In Japan, mornings aren't conquered, they're entered. There's a practice called Asa Katsu, often translated as morning activity, but the translation misses something. It's not about activity, it's about intention, about treating your first waking moments as something worth protecting, not weaponizing. Opening a window before touching a screen, holding warmth between both hands, moving slowly enough to notice you exist. This isn't softness, it's precision. You're choosing what gets your first attention, and that choice echoes through every hour that follows. But here's what most people never notice. Your brain, in that first waking window, is wide open. The rational mind hasn't fully come online. Cortisol is naturally elevated. Your nervous system is scanning. Is today safe, or is today a threat? Whatever you feed it first becomes the filter. Scroll through bad news, and your body decides the world is dangerous before you've stood up. But stillness, breath, presence, 30 seconds of quiet tells your nervous system something different. I'm not in danger. I can arrive slowly. You're not just building a morning routine, you're teaching your body what kind of day to expect. So what does this actually look like? First, delay the world by 5 minutes. The notifications aren't emergencies, they just dress like them. 5 minutes of nothing teaches your brain you're not always on call. Second, give your body one physical cue, not a task, a sensation. Bare feet on cool floor. Water on your face. One breath deep enough to feel your ribs expand. Third, choose a single word for the day. Not a goal, just a word. Steady, open, unhurried. Let it guide loosely, not command. Fourth, protect the threshold. That gap between waking and doing is sacred ground. Most people sprint through it. You don't have to. Small doors. But small doors still lead somewhere. A friend once told me what finally shifted for them. They used to wake already running, tasks scrolling before their eyes opened. By noon, exhausted, not from work, from how the morning had started. Then they tried one thing. No phone for 10 minutes, just tea, just the window. What changed wasn't productivity. They said, I stopped feeling like a machine that kept failing to boot up. That stayed with me, because maybe that's what we've been doing, treating ourselves like systems to optimize, instead of people who need to arrive gently. Now, if you try this tomorrow and forget by Wednesday, hear me clearly. That's not failure. Shame never built anything that lasted. It just makes you avoid the thing that hurt. Real change doesn't require perfection. It requires returning. Every morning extends the same quiet invitation. You don't need to earn it. You just need to walk through again. Here's what I want you to hold. Mornings were never the enemy. Your relationship to them was. And that can shift, not through force, not through another aggressive system demanding you become more, just through choosing what touches you first. The day will always ask something of you. That won't change. But you get to decide how you meet it, not as someone already behind, as someone who arrived. That's enough. That's always been enough.